Okay, welcome to the third and final pattern of the week, the dragon roll. This is where it gets fun. We've got the overhand, we've got the underhand. Now we're going to do something that works at 90 degrees to both of them, so in between the two. Call it rotational movement training, because we're learning to separate the ribs from the pelvis as we do the dragon roll with this side-to-side action. With the dragon roll, I want you to think about being even as we go. So you're going to be pointing again the chest 45 degrees one way, which is halfway of this side, and then turn a quarter of a turn, 90 degrees to 45 degrees that way with the chest. And that's the point, is we're always working between here and here. We're not favoring one side, which might happen for some people. We're working between here and here. Start with the rope, handle in each hand. And you're going to face one side, whichever happens naturally to you. I'm facing to my left, maybe face to your left as well. Dragging it to the right till I'm facing 45 degrees. I'm flicking it straight over and back, straight over the head. I'm turning my chest once again to this angle. And then it's coming round to the back of my right foot and flicking it straight forwards. So I'm going to drag it half a turn, flick it back, turn half a turn, flick it forwards. Drag, flick, turn, flick. So all my hands are doing are dragging, flicking, straight, both hands evenly straight over the top. I'm turning and I'm flicking it forwards, both hands straight over the top. I'm going to drag, flick, turn, flick. Slowly build up. Drag, flick, turn, flick. Drag, flick, turn, flick. Drag, flick, turn, flick. And if you take your time, eventually you speed up enough, it will stop hitting your feet, and it will be this gentle, seamless rotation of the upper body with the hands coming up, turning back. And it may take a few days to get the timing of this without it hitting your foot. Just be patient with it, it will come. So drag, flick, turn, flick. It's that timing of the turning. Think about the arms going over, and it's the turn of the arms with the ribs that drives the rope. As it comes down, it's this turn. As the rope comes down, it's the turn that drives the rope. Go slow, build up gently, revisit this video as the week goes on if you're confused, if you're not sure. Promise you by the end of the week, it'll be seamless for you. Make sure you practice it on both sides as the time's allotted in the workout to do it on both sides. Enjoy the dragon roll.